The compact mini refrigerator from Super General has a space-saving design, can fit almost anywhere, be it your kitchen, bedroom or study. It is also great for camping trips, hotel rooms, cafes or as beverage refrigerator in offices. The modern design has a sleek white matte body and a white glossy finish door to match any interior. With a freezer compartment, 2 removable wire shelves, a fresh box, and multiple indoor cabinets, it can easily accommodate a variety of foods and beverages. The reversible door can be easily fixed to open to either direction for easy access. This compact, efficient and energy-saving fridge freezer is an ideal addition to any living or workspace. Super freshness with Super General.